Forget opinions? Forget hype? Today, only the data speaks. New statistics reveal just how fast technology is accelerating. AI adoption is up over 400% in major industries, and automation is now influencing nearly every workflow on the planet. This isn't just a ripple, it's a tidal wave. So here's the hard breakdown. 72% of companies say AI boosts productivity. 49% are replacing manual roles with automated tools. And cyber threats? They're up by nearly 300% this year alone. These numbers aren't predictions, they're reality. Every single data point shows the same trend. Technology isn't just evolving, it's rewriting the rules of the game. This is your hard data update. Clear, unfiltered, unstoppable. Welcome to Tech Outbreak, where we decode the future, one data set at a time. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.